Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And before we get into today's craft, I want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers. I hit 1,000 subscribers this week, and honestly, it means the world to me. All the support, love, comments have kept me going to want to keep creating and sharing. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Now to the fun stuff. Today's craft is my absolute favorite craft to do. 3D Puff heat transfer vinyl. It gives such a beautiful raised embroidered look that's both elegant and eye-catching. And they also make for amazing gifts. Once you learn how to use this, you are going to want to put it on everything. So without further ado, let's get crafting. First things first, like every project, we're starting in Cricut Design Space. I already have my design ready since it's something I make pretty often, but I'm going to go in and quickly update 2 of the letters, and then once I'm done, I'm going to hit Make It. Even though we're using 3D Puff HTV, we're going to cut it like it's regular HTV, so don't forget to mirror your image before cutting it. For this project, we're using the green Cricut standard grip mat. I'm going to be placing the 3D Puff vinyl shiny side down and then using my brayer tool to press it firmly onto the mat. This helps get rid of any bubbles and make sure it's fully adhered, so we get a clean, smooth cut. Once the cut is finished, I'm flipping the mat over and gently peeling away from the vinyl. This helps prevent any curling or bending of the material. Now I'm just trimming off the excess vinyl with my cutter. I always like to save any unused pieces for future projects. No waste here. I'm using my Cricut Bright Pad to make weeding a little easier. With white HTV, the cuts can be subtle, so the extra light really helps me see all the details. Now it's time to prep the sweatshirt. I always recommend using a lint roller to remove any dust or fuzz before pressing. It really helps the vinyl stick better. Now here's what you really need to know about using 3D Puff HTV. It needs low heat, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and a short press time of just about 10 seconds. And I'm using my Cricut Auto Press because it applies the perfect amount of pressure every time. Now it's time to press the sweatshirt. I'm laying the sweatshirt flat on the press, then placing the HTV design where I want it. Before pressing, I always add a layer of butcher paper to protect the vinyl and keep everything smooth. Now onto the sleeve. I'm following the same steps as before, lining up the design, covering it with butcher paper, and pressing it just like we did with the bride on the front of the sweatshirt. And here's the final look. How cute is that puff detail? Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you had fun learning how to use 3D Puff HTV. It's such a fun way to add a little wow to your project. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss future crafting videos. And now that we hit 1,000 subscribers, which I really can't believe we did that, I'm so excited to keep crafting with all of you. So until next time, stay crafty.